no?
What you gonna cook?
Mickey.
Mickey for the whole month?
Plenty dragon fruit. That is kamyas, good for sinigang. This one very sour. Yeah. Oh, we are in Waipahu. There. Oh, there again the train. On this side, plenty Filipino stores. Oh, we're here at our destination. Later we come in this place, yeah, there. But for now, let's go quick marketing. There, we will go there. Okay. Okay, let's go first stop. What's that?
49.
That's the one
Yes.
runs?
Yeah, good.
Okay.
12. You get yours, I get mine.
Oh, looks like we're early. Early. It's 10:33. They should open already, but we don't see people going in. I remember the Maxes at where is that? When I did my passporting, we waited also outside because we're early. And now we're early again here. And finally, guys, we are here inside the Maxes restaurant. Yes, it's a Filipino restaurant today. So I'm just looking at their menu, but actually, we know what to order. Meron kasi kaming namimiss na dish dito. And while waiting, ipapakita ko po sa inyo ang loob ng Maxes Restaurant dito sa Hawaii. So, eto siya, very spacious. And I think pangalawa kaming customer na pumasok dito. And there you go, guys. Eto yung order namin. Ano ba yun? Bangus belly sinigang. Eto siya. Oh, mukhang masarap at mainit-init. And the most important thing, nagkikrave kami ng lechon kawali sisig. At yan siya. Of course, we have this garlic rice. Siyempre, Filipino, hindi mawawala ang rice. Rice is life. Ayan siya, oh, yung lechon kawali sisig. So, kain tayo, guys. Bagong luto, nakikita nyo naman, umuusok-usok pa siya. Ayan, kainan na. So, we drove from our place siguro mga 20 minutes or pag may traffic, more than that. I think last month pa kami nagki-crave yung nasa dulo ng dila mo talaga yung taste ng lechon kawali sisig. Kaya we took this time to drove and come here to eat. Anyway, it's a special day for us. Ayan, so for the start, half cup of rice muna. And then, maglagay tayo ng sinigang sa bowl. Ayan siya, yung bangus belly. Ooh, look at that. Siyempre, kuha tayo ng vegetables. Oh, talagang mainit siya, guys. Umuusok-usok. Siyempre, kailangan yung soup. I know their sinigang, it's really sour. Ayan, look, there is a big chili in there. Oops, I did not put in my bowl. Maybe later I will taste that one. Okay guys, so kain tayo. Maasim-asim nga siya. Okay, so naglagay na ako ng lechon kawali sisig sa aking plate. Meron din ako dito yung kangkong leaves. Pero tikman muna natin yung lechon kawali. Oh, really, really delicious. Talagang masarap guys, specialty nila. So, yung kangkong, ang tawag dito ay Filipino watercress. Ayan. And then, kuha tayo ng bangus belly. Earlier, I have second thought if I will order this one kasi ang akala ko puro tiyan lang ng bangus. Hindi pala. Meaty pala siya. At masarap. Next, eto na. Tikman natin yung malaking green chili pepper. Is it spicy or hot? I think it's not. No guys, hindi siya spicy. I can eat that because I'm so sensitive with spicy and hot vegetables, pero kinaya ko. Ito yung lechon kawali sisig. Ayan siya guys. So, this is a lot for us for one eating. So, tingnan natin baka mag-take out tayo mamaya. Oh, yan yung soup. Napaka-asim niya. At medyo busog na kami guys. Medyo slow down na kami sa pagkain. So, I called Kuya Ninyo, the food attendant, at nag-order ako ng isang lechon kawali sisig for take-out. And then I asked if he can give us boxes para ma-take out din namin yung hindi namin nakain. And nag-order din ako ng, of course, a special halo-halo. Isa lang kasi busog na talaga kami. Gusto ko lang talagang mag-dessert halo-halo. So, share kami ni Habi. Anyway, look, malaki yung halo-halo nila. May ube, merong ube halaya, ube ice cream, and then meron ding leche flan. Ayan siya, nag-o-overflow. Hindi ma-accommodate nung glass. Oh, na-miss ko talaga tong special halo-halo. Ayan, medyo madami na kaming nakain sa halo-halo at eto na yung take-out namin. Meron din kaming extra boxes para iuwi yung mga leftover. Take out for how many days? Oh, there, I was there. Boxes. I like sleep already.
That's why I wanted to get out of there.
Nabisog makaturog.
I like just lie down right now.
Lie down in there. Okay, let's go home. So that's it.